Let's learn ABC. A for apple, B for ball, C cat and D the doll. A apple, B ball, C cat and D the doll. E elephant, F flag, G goat and H her hat. E elephant, F flag, G goat and H her hat. I ice cream. I ice cream, J jacket, K kite, L lion. I ice cream, J jacket, K kite and L lion. M monkey, N nest, O orange, P parrot. M monkey, N nest, O orange, P parrot. Q queen, Q queen. R rose, S sun, T tongue, U umbrella, umbrella. V van, van. W watch, watch. X Xmas tree, Xmas tree. Y yellow, yellow. Z zebra, zebra. So we have learned ABC. Let's recap. A apple, B ball, C cat, D the doll. E elephant, F flag, G goat, H her hat. I ice cream, J jacket, K kite, L lion. M monkey, N nest, O orange, P parrot, parrot. Q queen, R rose, S sun, T tongue, tongue. U umbrella. V van, W watch, X X-ray, X-ray. Y yellow, yellow. Z zebra. Well, we have done our ABC. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe and like it. Thank you. Bye.